Tablet or mouse? Tablet or mouse?
If you want this model, you can get it for free on my Gumroad. The link is in the video description. If you ever wondered why the tablet is so much better than the mouse, in this video I'm gonna give examples, as well as in the video end I'm gonna try to explain how to maximize the use of your mouse. The first thing about the tablets would be their pressure, and if I have a radius, activate the pressure and the strength. When I'm dragging my line from the low pressure to stronger and stronger, you can see a big changes in how my strokes looks like. And this thing, when I'm sculpting, gonna create a nice variation on the surface, and this way the sculpt's gonna be looking a bit more interesting than just sculpting with the same pressure and radius all the time. Next thing would be your line quality. So let's say if I'm having a draw sharp and I'm drawing with the tablet, and I want to have a nice sharper line on the edge, it may take me a few tries, but the line looks rather nice and not too wiggly. But if I trying to use my mouse and draw the same line, it's gonna be much slower and much more wiggly. And by using tablet quite a lot of times, your line quality gonna become a better, and it's gonna be much easier for you to sculpt things in straight line, and not just in straight line, but just have a much better control of how you're drawing. So coming from the line quality, now it's the speed, just as I showed. If I'm trying to use my pen and draw the line, I'm gonna do it fast, especially if I even want to Control Z to undo my steps. I can do this very quickly. But if I'm using my mouse, I can't draw the lines so straight, and I'm gonna just keep trying and trying, and it's still gonna be wiggly. And with the pen, I can freely move and do it much faster and the way I actually want it to be. Comfort and gesture is another big thing while using a tablet. First, the way you're holding the pen is much more comfortable and better for your hand than holding the mouse. Another thing is when you are drawing the similar lines and even the spheres, but just the lines or the eye shape, the difficult bow, your hands gonna become more adept to drawing the shape. While using the mouse, it's probably never gonna happen, and by that you can create the specific line you're drawing and the art more like yours. For the last thing, it's more about my personal thoughts, is that having a tablet can make you want to sculpt more, because you already invested the money and time searching and finding the right tablet for you, and now when you finally have it, just turning it on and having close to you will make you want to try and do something out with it. And in general, it's not that useful to have tablet like for games or web browsing, so you just will want to do something with the tablet, and the sculpting gonna be the third thing that comes to your mind. So that's why it's gonna be pushing you to do a bit more work than you usually do. Now, what you can do if you can't really purchase the tablet and you always have to use the mouse, There's a few things that are different on the tablet and the mouse is when you're gonna get it. It's the mouse strength. So while using the mouse, let's see how harsh are my strokes. Now on a tablet, everything looks smaller and less powerful. So while using the mouse, I'm gonna drop my strength way lower and probably even radius. And when I draw, it's looking a bit more like a mouse now. Another thing is the line quality. You can change your line quality by going to the stroke and stabilizing your stroke. It's gonna help you draw a bit more straighter lines, but it's still gonna be way slower, but at least you're gonna have a straight line, and while dropping the strength, you're not gonna be so harshly changing your mesh. And by doing these two things, by changing your strength, radius, and adding as stabilizer, it's gonna be a bit more comfortable and fixing the problems which you come up by using the mouse. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.